How to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. So if you're also wondering, you can follow up this method and connect them. So let's just get started. First thing is you need to head over to the Exness application, open it up. So once you're on your account, in here you'll be finding your balance right here. Along with that, you'll be finding different options. So go to details from here, and from here, go to the settings tab right here, open it up. And once you are here, the next thing you need to do is you just need to copy the server address, this one right here. You can go ahead and copy your server address from here. After that, head over to your MetaTrader 5 account. I mean the application itself. So once you're on the MetaTrader 5 account, you need to create a new account. So you can go to add a trading account option. And under this find broker option, you need to paste your broker's address, the one we copied from Exness. After that, select Exness and you need to provide your login here, login details. So go back to your Exness application and here you'll be finding a login code. Copy it from the clipboard, head over to the Exness application, the MetaTrader 5 again. Go ahead and paste it right here. After that, enter up your password of your account, your Exness account, and tap on login. And that is how you connect your Exness to MetaTrader 5. So that is how you do it. It is a very easy method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.